I hear you. I see you. You don't want to be dancing, bumping, and jiving on TikTok. And you want to show up in a professional way, a way that shares your impactful story, a way that connects with your audience. Don't worry, boo, I got you. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a quote style TikTok video. These are super hot right now. I'll put one up on the screen as an example. And you can also click the link below to check it out on my TikTok. These style of videos are super easy to make. You can create a lot of them and you don't need to record a thing. In this tutorial, we're going to be using one of my all-time favorite tools, Canva.com. Editors, add a little jingle, Canva.com. I love Canva. I really feel like I should be an ambassador for Canva or something because it is so freaking easy to create content super quickly for social media. You don't have to have a graphic design background. You don't have to have all the fancy equipment or tools. They've got lots of stuff on the free version, mind you, that's really great for business owners to use. If you want to sign up for the pro version, I have my link down below. That's my affiliate link. You can definitely click that and sign up. Even if you want a free account, click that link and sign up. Help support our YouTube channel here. All right, let's dive into the tutorial. All right, we are in Canva and we are going to create this video. So the first thing I'm going to do is click Create Design. And the size that I like to use is this one here, 1080 by 1920. It says Instagram Story. Hopefully they'll bump up like an Instagram Reel or a TikTok size to the top, but this is the size. This is the size you want, 1080 by 1920. So I'm going to click on that and open up the design. And the first thing I want to do actually is add the video to the background. So I'm going to do videos here. If you don't see it, you may have to click the more button at the bottom here. But I have that right at the top. So I'm going to select video. You may have to have a pro account to see some of these. I'm going to choose a free one just for the purpose of this tutorial, but their pro account has a lot of stuff. And I always say Canva should freaking sponsor me. All right. So there's the video in the background. Next, I'm going to add in my element. And what I like to do is a shape like this, kind of like an oval size shape. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust, and Grammarly's trying to insert themselves. I'm going to go ahead and adjust the size here. We want this to look like a tweet, remember? So there's that size. And I like to actually use a little bit of a white background so that it pops. Next, I want to add in a picture of myself. But first, I'm going to need a frame. So I'm going to actually search for a round frame. And again, I want to use all free elements for this video. So I'm going to use this frame here. So this will be where my photo goes here. Again, we want this to look like a tweet. And then I'm going to add in my name. So I'm going to add in some text at OnlineDrea. There, that's my handle. And I'm going to line that up to the bottom. And I'm going to put my name here, Andrea. Gotta have the accent, Jones. I always say my mom is super fancy with the name idea. So let me line this up. I'm going to left align these two things. And let me look back at my original here. Yeah, my name is bolded. So I'm going to go ahead and bold this, and we're going to make it larger than life. Okay. I'm going to make this a little bit larger too. It was 24. That seems good. All right. So there we go. And what I'm going to do is actually select these two and line them up so that they're centered to this photo here. Okay. So there we go. Now we're going to add the last bit of text, which is your impactful statement. So your impactful statement goes here. What I would say for this is keep it short and sweet. Okay, so we don't want to make this too long. Again, the strategy here is to actually have a statement that works really well for capturing someone's attention, but we don't need it to be super long. Let me see what I have this aligned as. It is left aligned, so we want to go ahead and align that like that. And the last thing is to add our photo. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And here's a photo of me here. So all you're going to do is drag and drop it into that round section there. Okay. So there we have it. Let's take a little preview of the final product. It looks amazing. Now, as you're uploading this to TikTok or Reels or YouTube Shorts, make sure you add a trending sound to the background to help your video get seen. Good luck. Hey, before you go, if you're looking for more social media support, I've got to share our free course, which really is designed to help online business owners reduce that overwhelming feeling and actually create a social media strategy that works for you and your business. And yes, it is all free. You can find it at OnlineDrea.com/free, and it walks you through building out a social media strategy that will help move your business forward. Plus, we have some super sweet goodies in there, like done for you posts, templates, and more. So check it out at OnlineDrea.com/free. I'll see you there.